It's been going great today. Getting lost. I'm seriously fucking frustrated with myself now. Never, ever go on such a big hike with a backpack around 20 kilos. I'm in the Pyrenees and I'm going for a 5 or 6 day hike. Let's go. So you know, Frenchmen behind me walking to the rock. I don't think they are the ones that are walking the wrong way. Already walking like 3 hours. Very happy with the about 20 kilos of backpack. The mountain is enormous. Still not done going up after 3 hours. But at least I'm on the right track. I was all along. Now I know for sure. So I made it to the top, and then on the other side you see a massive cliff. Let's walk to the edge. You can just see it plummeting all the way down. Short oversight. Behind that is where I came from. Here I should have taken the right, go this way up the mountain, but I went this way to get up the mountain that way, and right now walking over the edge of the freaking mountain. Big drop off, stuck in the middle. Epic views all around. This valley is massive, a little bit too big. I have troubles finding a house. I found the wrong house in the valley, but I'm not lost anymore. Just started to rain a little, so I have to go to my shop. 20 past 8, it's time to get out. Another day. Yet again, a detour of like 45 minutes. Totally unnecessary. We're in the midst of cow country. But I can't keep on walking very fast right now because there is a bull on my path with grandes cojones.